This email is to support staff that is leaving Tukwila School District and wants to make sure that their clock hours are still available for after time in Tukwila School District. So first of all, thank you for the work that you have done. Second, in HRM, you would go to the hrmplus.net, so Tukwila ProDev, PRODEV, .hrmplus.net, sign in, and there's two places in My Records that you are going to take a look at. First place in My Records is going to be your personal info. What you'll do in the personal info is adjust so the main email is no longer going to be your @Tukwila email. It's a personal one that you would access. Kind of like if you were setting up an account for another school district to apply or another location to apply. So the main email should be a personal email address. Once you've done that, you would click Save. From there, the second thing in My Records of the HRM system is you're going to go to Reports. And this will happen after June 30th. The reports for your official clock hours from this school year and past school years that you have attended will be on the Tukwila official clock hour transcript. Clicking this report here and running the preview will actually show all of that information. It will open in a new tab. It will show the official clock hour requests that you have at the top. All right. So again, HRM, there's two things to do in the HRM ProDev system for us is changing your personal info and finding that report for your official transcript.